Hello, have a good day to all guys, friends, followers. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Let me show you. Today profit is $85 using DC Scientific robot. And look here, as you guys see here, volatility 51 is index trading. Okay, this is all by robot. Okay, step index. Okay, and here is you can look the comment here is DC Scientific robot. This is the comment DC Scientific robot. Okay, the robot is making profit, and let me show you the orders, 38 orders, and here is the history of today trades, $85. So let's go and withdraw this profit. DC Scientific robot. So look here, $85. I just made the withdraw from my MT5. Let's click on withdrawal. Let's go for, they sent me an email, and here is email of withdrawal. Just click on email, and here we go, binary.com. Let's click on withdraw $85 to the profit. $85 using my Skrill account. They have my details. Let request for payout, and here is the payout done. Thanks for watching guys.